Let me tell you about something that I love. When something serves more than one purpose. I don't know about you, but there is a special kind of delight that I feel when something does more than one thing and I can use it in my life and it's so multi-purpose. And it's funny because, multitasking, I'm sure you've probably heard, isn't really that great. We're not really that good at it, but other things can multitask. So today I'm going to talk about a super easy thing that you can do that you can throw into your purse, bag, briefcase, backpack, whatever, that will help minimize your impact on the environment. And also, if you choose, it can add some style and personality and pizzazz to your life. All right, if this is your first time here, welcome. I am Rachel Stravelli. I'm an inner wisdom teacher and coach. I help you connect to your inner wisdom within and the wisdom of the natural world. I am so delighted to talk to you today about a habit that I have had in my life probably since my 20s, maybe even late teens. And I have had this napkin since my late teens or early 20s. I bought it at this cute little kitchen store in Asheville, North Carolina, where I used to live. As you can tell, I have not ironed it. Ironing is not really a big priority in my life. So I bought this in a set of 3. They're made in India. These are so quality made. As I said, there were 3. 2 of them I had for the longest time. One I just cut up to use for wipes for cleaning up my son. But this one is still in good condition. So I keep this in my purse. It is multi-use. Typically what I use it for is if I'm out and about or eating snacks with friends, with my kids, whoever. This is my cloth napkin that I put in my lap. If there's a spill in the car or when I'm out and about, grab it out of my purse, wipe some things up. During this, right now I'm recording this in the cold and flu season. So typically these days, actually, this is my handkerchief. This is what I use. Now this is a huge one. So I have to make sure to periodically wash it, but I'm going to show you a few other handkerchiefs that I have. So what I'm encouraging you to do is to either buy some handkerchiefs that are specifically designed for use as handkerchiefs, or buy some nice fabric, or look in your cabinets, in your dressers. Maybe you have a piece of clothing that was ripped. I have a pair of old silk pajamas that I cut up and made into handkerchiefs because the silk was so nice and I love the design, and now they're handkerchiefs. This is a handkerchief that was actually my grandfather's and now it's mine. So every time I use it, I think of him and it's really special to me. These my mother-in-law sent my husband and I some for the holidays one year. This was a set. And this is one I think a friend sent me. So it's really easy at thrift stores and vintage places to find vintage handkerchiefs. I mean, look at the beautiful designs and personality on this. So this handkerchief, I can use this to wipe up a spill. There's no need for me to carry paper napkins. If I'm out somewhere and they're giving me food, I decline the paper napkins or I put them back. It allows me to keep clean. I can, if you're somebody who you're like, ooh, I'm a germaphobe, I really don't like touching doorknobs and those other things. Well, here you go. You got this in your hand. Open your doorknob, close the knob, whatever. If you have small children, they're messy. Like, are they all this messy? I feel like they are. Even if you have pets, it's a great way. Okay, so if I use this as a handkerchief or to wipe up a kid's mess and then it's dirty, well, I throw it in the wash. So we probably have in my household about 20 of these. On a normal day, or even if one person is sick, that'll last us. If more than one person gets sick, we go through more than 20 in a few days before we do the laundry. But at the very least, we're cutting down on our paper usage. I think it's best to get cotton or some type of natural fiber for your handkerchief because it's going to feel nicer on your face. And as I said, you can use this as a handkerchief, but also I always have one in my purse for using as a napkin in my lap if I'm out and about or having a snack, wiping things up. It's a great, sweet little way to have a positive impact on the environment, to have your own, clean, lifestyle habits so that you can wipe up spills, you can wipe off your face, you can, I mean, if you're watching a sad movie or you're interacting with a friend and it's making you cry, you have something to blot those tears away. And as I mentioned before, like the designs, you can totally pick whatever you like that suits your personality, so that when you pull out your handkerchief or your cloth napkin, you get to show off a little bit of that individuality that's just you. If I have attended your wedding, then you have probably received cloth napkins from me. It's one of my most common gifts that I give because they're easy to make. But even if you don't want to make them, it's super easy to buy. They last a long time and they are so multi-purpose. All right, I would love to hear if you have napkins, cloth napkins or handkerchiefs, what color are they? Do you have a certain design you like? And if you don't like them, then I encourage you to comment below. Are you going to start using them? Did this make you think about another way that you could have a nice little handkerchief in your purse or backpack or briefcase so that when you need it, or in your car dash? All right. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that YouTube will know to share this with other folks. All right. Take care. Bye.